Good morning. Good morning. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, it's going to be all about this one. Sky, come here. Come. So today is going to be all about, oh my goodness, this girl right here who is crazy right now. But I just wanted to take you guys along with me and show you what it's like. Hi. What it's like spending a weekend as, excuse me, what are you doing? Huh? What a weekend in our life looks like as a dog mom. You ready to show them what we're gonna do? I just turned on to the road that has the beach on it. I don't know if you can hear her. Where are we? Oh my goodness, do you know where we are? Yeah. She's going insane. Do you know where we are? She's so cute. Are you okay? Okay, so we just made it through to Dune Road, and I feel so bad because the whole road and like all of the beaches are just, it must be high tide right now. So I'm sorry, we can't go. Then she knows the road. Like once we turn onto the road, she starts to go crazy. And come here, it's okay. Come. It's all right. I'm sorry. I'll have to come here tomorrow, okay? Hey guys, so it's the next day, it is Sunday, and I tried to take Sky to the beach yesterday, but the road was flooded. So Dune Road floods pretty easily, especially when it rains in the morning and then high tide comes. So I drove down and just kind of thought that maybe she would be able to go run on some kind of beach, I don't know, maybe the Bayside, but everything was just flooded and horrible. So it is like 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and we are going to try to go. There's a new dog park that opened down the road from us, so we are going to try and go to the new dog park and go for a little walk. lay down. That's a good girl. So she decided to run in the mud. She decided to run in the mud. Oh my goodness. So she needs a bath. So we are going to give her a bath. Do you want a bath? Come on. Come on. Come on in the bath. Come on, let's go. Go ahead. Go ahead. Get in there. In. Come on. Go. Good girl, go in. In the bathtub. Come on. Good girl. Sit. Good girl. Sit down. Sit down. And this is why I don't wash my bathtub beforehand. We wash it after our baths. Go ahead. Go crazy. And then she does this. Wipes herself on the ground. What are you doing? Don't like to be clean. You're nice and clean. Oh my goodness, Sky. What are you doing?